Hi there mga beloved ko soulmates, kamusta po kayong lahat? Andito naman po yung lingkod Renzo Tarot Channel para bigyan kayo ng isang soulful and meaningful na tarot reading. Dito lamang po sa inyo lagi na abangan sinusubaybayan yung pinakamala Renzo Tarot Channel. Ang ating pong reading ngayon ay isang general reading para po sa ating mga pinakamahal na nasa sign ng Capricorn. So, take what only resonates. So, ibig sabihin po ay pag di po kayo naka-resonate, pwede nyo namang hanapin yung energy sa ibang videos natin. So, at kapag nagustuhan nyo or naka-resonate kayo, mag-comment po kayo, like and share. And of course, don't forget to subscribe po our channel. Mega shoutout po sa lahat ng ating soulmates sa buong Pilipinas at sa buong mundo na lagi nanonood at nakaabang. Maraming salamat po sa inyong lahat. Sige, Capricorn, Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus sign, para sa inyo to. Then, last shuffle at huwag na natin patagalin pa. Sige, ulitin ko, this is a general reading para sa mga nasa sign ng Capricorn. Okay, sige. Let's begin. Spirit Universe, Spirit Guides, Angels, Ancestors. 10 cards please for Capricorn. Sige. Maraming salamat po. Hindi po ako magsasawang magpasalamat po sa inyo sapagkat kung wala po kayo, ay wala po ang success ng Renzo Tarot Channel. Simula noon hanggang ngayon, ay hindi nyo po ako iniwan and andyan pa rin po kayo. At maraming salamat po sa inyo nakakatapa sa puso ng tiwala at suporta, lalong-lalo na sa ating muling pagbabalik. Siguro sa mga bago kasi dito, ang matagal na panahon, siguro almost a year na nawala ako or walang upload. Medyo na busy na pinagtutukan lang tayo, but now tutuloy-tuloy na ito at you will be seeing more videos. Pakikita nyo ako lagi. Sige, kumpleto na Capricorn ang inyong 10 baraha. Kamusta kayong lahat? I hope you're in a good condition. I hope you're safe, you're healthy, and of course, you're happy. Sige, Capricorn. Okay, we have here the Page of Pentacles. Capricorn, there's an stability. I can see here a continuous growth o patuloy na magandang kalagayan ng not only your pentacles or yung pera, not only in finances, but I can see here a continuous growth in terms of career development sa trabaho. I can see her. It's like, you don't need to worry as of the moment. Wala tayong nakikita ditong parang what is this, confusions and disappointment. So this Page of Pentacles signifies that the universe is telling you, Capricorn, to just go, pagpatuloy lang yung ginagawa, just continue your honesty, just continue your hard work, and everything will be paid off. And everything will make sense for you. But as of now, there's an stability or talagang magandang katayuan or what is this, your finances and your career growth is in a very good condition. Oh, we have here the moon. So, take time to reflect on your emotions, Capricorn. Parang kasi nakikita natin dito parang scattered daw. Parang kalat-kalat ang iyong emotion. So, I can see her also na parang dun sa Page of Pentacles, magandang katayuan ng finances, yung career, but in terms of handling your emotions or decision making, medyo may disbalance. So, the moon card is telling you to work on your emotions, Capricorn, kasi parang lately parang scattered. You don't know where it is coming from. Hindi mo alam kung saan nagmumula yung mga pressure. Parang ngayon okay ka, maya-maya hindi na naman. So you need to find your balance. Kailangan mong matutunan na disiplinahin ang iyong sarili sa pag-handle ng emotions. Okay? But I know that you can do it because you're grounded. Okay? Sabihin nakatutok ka naman, aware ka naman sa mga nangyayari at nararamdaman mo, Capricorn. So we have here the Two of Pentacles. There's a need to balance talaga. The universe is telling you, Capricorn, to find your balance, to find a way to balance everything. Kasi may kita natin dito pang there's a lot of confusions. May mga ang daming mga katanungan, ang daming mga kaguluhan na nangyayari sa isipan mo at sa puso mo. It seems, sabi ko nga, you don't know where it is coming from. Kalat-kalat ang emotion dito. Kalat-kalat ang mga, mabigat na hindi mo maipaliwanag ang nararamdaman mo. So, but sometimes you wake up na okay naman. See that later on, andyan naman yung worry, bigla ka naman mag-iisip ng ganito, what if? So, you need to find your balance. Kailangan talagang, it's like slowly, not totally, But I know that you can do it. Alam mo yan kung paano gagawa ng paraan yan. Just a matter of positive mindset. You just need to switch on thinking positively, Capricorn. Okay, so also the universe telling you to have a balance in your finances. You need to monitor, kailangan mong alamin ang pagpasok at labas ng pera para sa'yo. At the same time, yung mga properties, resources, baka mamaya there are some things na neglect or parang napapabayaan. So, everything made sense, basta balance lang. Okay, Capricorn? So, we have here the Knight of Cups. This is a very beautiful card because it signifies success is coming on your way. So there's, I can see here, it's like a extension, growth, reproduction, or parang pagrami, may madadagdagan. So this is victory. Here you are claiming the victory. You're holding a cup. So Capricorn, so maybe as of now, there are some Capricorn na everything is not making sense for you. Medyo naguguluhan ka pa, or you're asking yourself, you're asking your worth if it's still worth it to sa path na pinili mo. Kung pagpapatuloy mo pa rin ba yan, it seems na parang medyo malabo, parang wala ka nakikitang growth orders, at least stagnancy ang nangyayari. But this Knight of Cups, Capricorn, is telling you, the universe is telling you, just need to be patient. Kailangan ng konting tiyaga, pasensya. At the same time, you just need to be grounded in your spirituality. You just need to hold on to your faith. Magtiwala ka lang. Tiwala ka sa Panginoon. You need to pray always. So, you need to be persistent in your manifestation. Sipagan nyo lang, pasasarap darating sa'yo. Because here, this Knight of Cups signifies success, victory, good news for you. So, this is coming for you. Capricorn, just need to hold on. Okay? So, we have here the world card. So I'm telling you, so there's a good news talaga na parating. So there's a new chapter of your life. Maybe there are some new talents that will be discovered. There are new path na papasukin ka na align rin sa'yo. Maybe this is matagal mo nang gustong gusto talaga itong mangyari. Ito talagang gusto mong trabahuin. Dito feeling mo dito ka talaga mag-grow o magiging masaya. Then yan yung darating sa'yo. So, okay, this world card signifies something new, something fresh that is aligned on your path. Okay? Maybe sabi ko nga, there are some Capricorns na talagang lately ang daming tinanggal, muling sumugal, muling sumubok sa path na talaga ng gusto nila. And I am telling you, this world card, the universe is sending you a message, just continue with the path that you have chosen. Maaring sabi ko, ulitin ko, hindi pa mag-made sense ang lahat, but Knight of Cups and the World card, there's a good news. There's a really positive result about something na talagang tinatrabaho nyo. Kailangan mo lang talagang i-claim ito. Okay, Capricorn? Then, I hope naka-resonate kayo. At kapag naka-resonate po kayo, ay don't hesitate to comment, like, and share, and of course, subscribe po. Maraming salamat po sa inyong walang sawang tiwala sa portal. Let's continue, Capricorn. We have here the Eight of Pentacles. So you're very good in money making. So there are some Capricorns na namamayagpag or nagbo-blossom ang kaperahan. Maybe your business is like booming. So maganda ang kita, maganda ang pasok ng finances for you. So this Eight of Pentacles also signifies that you have a talent, you have a gift in terms of holding or managing your finances. You're very good sa paghawak ng pera, Capricorn, at talagang mahigpit. At the same time, alam mo, matalino ka kung paano talaga ito palalaguan. And here with this Eight of Pentacles, the universe is telling you that it will continue to flourish, it will continue to multiply your finances. So, pagpatuloy lang yan, pagpatuloy lang pagiging matalino at galing sa paghawak ng kaperahan. This is a very beautiful reading. So, we have here Seven of Wands. So, Capricorn, there are some of you that is facing some, it's not, what is this? A little bit of parang, it's not issue, but parang nagiging subject ka sa mga usapan ng mga taong naiinggit sa'yo. Or maybe because you're doing good, you're doing great. Or maybe it's because parang hindi ka masyado napapansin or nagpaparamdam sa community. Parang nag-hermit mode ka or parang, tago ka muna. Parang sarili na lang muna. So that's why these people are wondering kung ano nangyayari sa buhay mo. That's why we have here the Seven of Wands. There are some people that are still not happy for you. Sabi ko nga, Capricorn, prone kayo sa inggit, prone kayo sa mga taong gustong pumabagsak sa'yo. But, they are not always successful. There are some people na nagsisend sa inyo ng mga bad wishes, evil eyes. So, but still, Okay? Kita mo itong mga tao na to talaga, Capricorn, talagang walang magawa sa sarili. Gagawa ng paraan, gagawa ng issue kahit na nanahimik ka, gagawan ka ng kung ano ng mga drama, but still, pag nagkaroon na ng confrontation, sila yung pa-victim. Okay, but I am telling you, don't mind them. Okay, sabi ko nga lagi kong sinasabi, the best revenge is not no revenge at all. Huwag mo nang patulan. Okay, kakarmahin din sila. Capricorn are very karmic sign, baka hindi nila alam. You are divinely protected. You are protected by your ancestors and spirit guides, angels. So, you don't need to worry. Okay. So, I can see here 4 of Wands. There's a celebration coming. So, there are some Capricorn na I can, since ito ay nakatapat dito sa 2 of Pentacles and meron tayong World card. So, I can see Capricorn na nag-expect na mabubuntis. If you're waiting for a sign na magkakaroon ng baby, so may mga Capricorn na mabubuntis. If you're longing or wishing na mabuntis, this is the best time para mapanood ito. I-claim mo na. So, I can see here also business na magba-branch out, mag-o-open ng panibagong branch ng business or para susubok ng panibagong business. It's all about celebration. You will be happy also. You will be busy in celebrating about success, good news that is coming on your way related sa yung trabaho. I can see her promotion because andito yung King of Cups. So, this is very good. This is a very good news for you. So, congratulations. Enjoy mo yan. I-celebrate mo yan. Kasama yung mga tao na mahal mo sa buhay na talagang andyan sa'yo, nakakakilala sa'yo, and loyal and value your skills and time, Capricorn. Okay? So, oh my God, andito na yung moon, andito pa yung stars. So this signifies talaga, Capricorn, that you are on the right track. Nasa tamang landas talaga yung tinatahak mo. Everything will be rewarded later on and you will be harvesting all the fruits. Actually, maraming Capricorn na ang nag-harvest na ng bunga, nag-paid off na paghihirap nila for the long time. But I can see here with this star card, the universe is sending a message for you, Capricorn, that talaga you just need, sabi ko nga ulitin ka, you just need to carry on, you just need to go forward. Yung path na yan na pinili mo, dyan ka align. Yan yung binigay sa universe. Although you are experiencing some, frustrations and maybe you're still questioning, tama pa ba? Or talagang ipagpapatuloy ko pa to. But sabi ko sa'yo, we have a celebration card here. We have a world, Knight of Cups. And here the star, the moon card. So, you don't need to worry. Just be still, relax lang, positive minded lang, and be persistent. Ulitin ko, sipagan lang ang pag-manifest. This is star card. The universe is telling you that your wish will be granted. So, your manifestations are coming on your way, Capricorn. Wow! Okay, 10th and last card mo is the Three of Swords. So, there are some of you that a little bit disappointed. But I can see her because makatapat sila ng world card, unti-unting matatanggal din yung mga heartaches na naranasan mo. Disappointment sa mga taong akala mo pinagkatiwalaan mo. Still, trinidor ka, there's a betrayal na nangyari, Capricorn. Parang merong mga tao na you thought they are your people but they are not. So that's why you've suffered not only the mental exhaustion but yung emotional baggage na daldala mo because hindi mo in-expect na ganito yung magiging balik sa ng mga tao. But I am telling you na mawawala na yan unti-unti. It's because the world card here, katapat siya ng world card. So this will be a refresh. So this will be a restart for you na naman, Capricorn. So mag-restart, mag-refresh, you will be clearing your mind. Tatanggalin yan ng universe lahat ng mga doubts, frustrations, heartaches. So, congratulations, Capricorn. And I'm so happy with this reading. I hope and I pray na maraming nasasayan na nakapanood dito ngayon. Kapag naka-resonate po kayo, mag-comment kayo, like and share, and of course, don't forget to subscribe. Maraming salamat hanggang susunod nating pagsasama. Mag-iingat kayo lagi. God bless us all.